Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rudy and I teach people how to trade on binary options correctly. Also, I will share the easiest and most profitable strategies with you. If you're a beginner in trading and not really confident in your abilities, then join my closed Telegram groups where I provide free signals with a accuracy of 90%, guys. Social trading is also available. So if you're a busy person and don't have much time, you can still open profitable deals without having constantly monitoring your laptop or phone. You can just simply copy my trades. I believe this option is perfect for some of you. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. Watch this video till the end. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and you will take part of $300 draw, and 3 lucky subscribers will get $100 each from me. Yeah, I guess let's get started, guys.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here we try different strategies for trading binary options, and most of them are quite simple but still effective and can help you make good money, guys. And today is OTC market, so we should be really careful, guys. So for today's strategy I picked the following indicators, which is gonna be MACD. So let's change the settings right away. We set the period, fast period to 6, slow period to 12, and the signal period to 5. So in my experience, I can say that these are the best settings for trading on 1 minute time frame. So how do we open positions? We will check the crossings of the moving average on the MACD, and we also look at the color of the histogram that shows us what dynamics dominate in the market. I mean, positive or negative. Also, we're gonna look at the local highs and lows, and we need one more indicator for that, which is zigzag. There it is. So we didn't change the settings on the zigzag. Yeah, I guess let's get started. So I'm gonna show you how it works in trading. So we open positions for all the money, and we trade a 1 minute time frame as always. Let's analyze the market first. Well, the crossing of the moving average hasn't happened yet, so let's take our time. So yeah, the crossing, here it comes. Let's open the long position. Let me explain why. So first of all, we see the updating of the local high here, after which the local low was updated at this point, and basically a small bounce from this level should happen, guys. We also see the positive dynamics on the MACD as well as the crossing of the moving average, and it tells us that a positive dynamic should take place. Yeah, beautiful breakout, great timing for the trade entry. Approximately 15 seconds left before the closing, and the candle doesn't show high volatility, by the way. We open exactly when the crossing happened. So yeah, brilliant trade entry. And there we go, they're almost $900 on the balance. You see that the positive dynamics is gaining momentum on the MACD. A beautiful bounce is happening exactly as we predicted. So I guess let's continue our trading session. But before we continue, let's update the trade amount, and we'll find another promising trade entry. So the crossing of the moving average is happening right now. So So this is a bullish signal. Let's open a long position. I'm gonna show you one more time, guys. We see the updating of the local high here, after which a strong downward dynamics followed up. We have a strong support zone here, and obviously we should expect the same bounce from it, like we saw on the previous currency pair. So we see the positive dynamics show up. I mean, green histogram, and this is a bullish signal. So let's see. Yep, look at the chart, the breakout is happening, and a good price pullback is imminent. We got a good position entry. So let's see, 5 seconds left before the closing. And we got this one in profits, got a great outcome. We see $1,600 on the balance. Simple signal, just like I said. We notice positive histogram on the MACD and also a crossing of the moving average, which means the price should move upwards, guys. Simple as that. Let's update the trade amount and let's keep going. Well, what do we got here? The crossing has already happened. It's not a big deal. Well, it looks promising, guys. Let's open another long position here. We expect to see the crossing of the moving average. Positive dynamics is gonna show up on the MACD. The updating of the local low just happened here, after which it's very likely that the price will go up. We can already see a good price surge. I think a strong pullback is gonna happen at the end. Yeah, so we found a nice position entry level. So keep in mind that you should wait until the price starts going somewhere, then we have more chances to end up in profits, guys. So don't forget about it when you trade binary options. It's red now, but never mind, guys. Good pump has already happened. We got $3,000 on the balance. Yeah, so let's move on. There is no stopping here. As you see, the price skyrocketed up, and exactly as we expected, the crossing played out perfectly. Well, let's keep going. So the crossing again. Let's open a long position. We observe a crossing of the moving average on the MACD. A positive dynamics just showed up. By the way, the local low was updated, after which we should expect the price to go much higher. Yeah, just look at this beautiful breakout. It's amazing. And 10 seconds left before till the end. So we need the candle to close as high as possible. Yeah, this is so great, guys. Here's the pump. We got almost $6,000 on the balance, and I think it's too early to stop. Let's continue, and we gotta find the best trading opportunity. So I think we'll open our final positions and then we'll fix the profit. So we see the downtrend on the chart, and I think the local low is about to be updated. Let's open 2 short positions. Everything is really simple. The price bounced from this resistance level. The local low was updated, after which we see some downward dynamics, and I think it will keep going. Basically, we see the crossing of the moving average on the MACD. The downward dynamics showed up, and this is a bearish signal, guys. Let's see. Here's the breakdown. The candle has a nice volatility, not too high and not too low, just perfect one. Yeah, even if the price doesn't go lower, it will definitely hit the previous local low, and our position should be closed in profits. Yeah, there we go. There was a nice dump. We got $10,000 on the balance. We started from $400, if I'm not mistaken, and we're gonna call it a night, I guess. Let's move on to withdrawal, I guess. Yeah, we made some good money today. I'm happy with the outcome, guys, so yeah, let's do it. To my BTC wallet, let it be 10,400. So let me put down the code. Yeah, so the last steps. So press continue. And yeah, there we go. Our withdrawal request has been sent. And I will touch the screen as always, guys. Well, I hope this strategy is clear for you, because it's not that difficult. There is nothing complicated. We simply watch the dynamics on the MACD, look for the crossing of the moving average, and by the way, the signal should be supported by the updating of the local high and low. And yeah, don't forget about the strong zones. I mean the support and resistance zones. Yeah, that's it, I guess. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram groups, and as always, good luck in trading, and bye bye.